If Meta AI is missing from your WhatsApp application and you need the feature to show up, this video is going to show you two different solutions to this problem, so make sure you watch this video until the end. But before we start with this video, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorial videos like this one. The first thing which we'll do is to open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, or open your App Store if you're an iPhone user, and then check if you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. If you open this page and you see the Update button, then click on it and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of WhatsApp downloads and installs onto your device. This Meta AI feature is relatively new, so updating the app should get that feature to show up in your WhatsApp application. But if your app is already updated and you still don't have the feature and it's not showing up, then there may be a bug or a glitch that's preventing your app to show us the feature. And we can solve this problem by opening the settings on our phone. After that, I'm going to open the General section. If you're an Android user, I'll tell you in a second how you can do this and offload the app. But on iPhone, you're going to press iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp from the list, and open it. You're going to tap on this little Offload App option, which will essentially refresh our app. It will clear out our bugs and glitches. And after the app offloads, you're going to tap on Reinstall App. Now, if you're using an Android device, the process is similar. Open your phone's Settings, then find and tap on Apps or Applications. Find WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. Now tap on Storage. Here you'll see an option that says Clear Cache. Tap on it. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, open WhatsApp and check if Meta AI appears. If it still doesn't show up, you can go back to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and this time tap on Clear Data. Keep in mind this will log you out of WhatsApp, but your chats are safely backed up and you can restore them when you log back in. Once WhatsApp reinstalls or after clearing the data, open the app and Meta AI should now appear. In most cases, either updating the app or clearing the cache and data will solve the problem.